Imagine a single theory that could explain everything in the universe. This was Einstein's dream, the unified field theory. The unified field theory, a concept that has captivated the minds of physicists for decades, was Einstein's ultimate pursuit. This ambitious idea was to unite the forces of nature into a single framework, to create a theory that could explain everything from the smallest particles to the vast cosmic galaxies, from the gentle pull of gravity to the strong force holding atoms together. Einstein, the brilliant mind behind the theory of relativity, saw the potential in this grand idea. He believed that all of the forces in the universe are simply different manifestations of the same fundamental reality. This is the essence of the unified field theory, a quest to look beyond the apparent complexity and diversity of nature and to find the underlying simplicity. But why did Einstein pursue this? Well, he was driven by an unwavering belief in the elegance and simplicity of nature. He was convinced that beneath the surface complexity of the physical world, there lies a simple, harmonious order. For him, the unified field theory was more than just a scientific endeavor. It was a philosophical quest, a journey towards a deeper understanding of the universe. The idea of a unified field theory holds immense significance in the field of physics. If successful, it could potentially answer some of the most profound questions about the nature of our universe. It could provide insights into the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, the origin of the universe, and the ultimate fate of all existence. It could be quite literally the theory of everything. Einstein devoted the last 30 years of his life to this grand quest, tirelessly working on equations and formulas, tirelessly seeking that one theory to rule them all. But was he successful? Well, we'll delve deeper into that in the next scenes, as we journey through Einstein's quest for the unified field theory and explore its implications for the future of physics. Einstein's quest for a unified field theory was a grand one, a theory to rule them all. But was he successful? Einstein spent the last 30 years of his life in this pursuit, but why was it so important to him? Albert Einstein, a name synonymous with genius, was a man on a mission. His quest? To formulate a unified field theory, a theory that would bring together all known physical phenomena under a single theoretical umbrella. The notion of unifying all of nature's fundamental forces into one elegant mathematical equation became Einstein's obsession. Einstein's journey towards the unified field theory was one fueled by his insatiable curiosity and a profound desire to understand the universe in its entirety. He was driven by the belief that there existed a deep-rooted harmony in the universe that could be captured in a single, all-encompassing theory. This idea, though radical and challenging, was a testament to Einstein's audacious spirit and his ceaseless quest for knowledge. But this journey was not without its hurdles. Einstein faced numerous challenges, both scientific and philosophical. He had to grapple with the complexities of quantum mechanics, a theory that he himself had helped to establish but later came to question. He found himself at odds with the scientific community, many of whom were skeptical about the possibility of a unified field theory. Despite these obstacles, Einstein remained undeterred. His resolve was as unyielding as the mysteries he sought to unravel. What did Einstein hope to achieve with this theory? He envisioned a world where the laws of physics could be expressed in their simplest form, where the beauty of the universe could be distilled into a single, elegant equation. This was not just about scientific discovery for Einstein. It was about revealing the fundamental truth of the cosmos, a truth he believed was hidden in the fabric of space and time. Despite his brilliant mind and relentless determination, Einstein was unable to complete his unified field theory. But why? As we delve deeper into this mystery, we find ourselves standing on the shoulders of a giant, gazing at the same stars that once mesmerized Einstein, and pondering the same profound questions that he dedicated his life to answering. The unified field theory remained unfinished, an enigma that even Einstein couldn't solve. This grand puzzle was the ultimate challenge for one of the greatest minds in history, a puzzle that remained unsolved at the end of his journey. It's a tantalizing mystery that continues to captivate us. But why did Einstein fail to complete it? To understand this, we need to delve into the complexities and challenges of unifying all physical forces into one theory. The unified field theory is not just a simple math problem. It's the quest to distill the fundamental forces of the universe, gravity, electromagnetism, and the strong and weak nuclear forces, into a single coherent framework. This is an undertaking of cosmic proportions akin to deciphering the very code of the universe itself. Einstein, with his brilliant mind, faced several obstacles in his pursuit of the unified field theory. One of these was the discovery of quantum mechanics, a field of physics that seemed to defy the very laws that Einstein had established with his theory of relativity. Quantum mechanics introduced a level of unpredictability and randomness that was at odds with Einstein's deterministic view of the universe. This clash between the macroscopic and microscopic realms, between the predictable and the unpredictable, proved to be a formidable roadblock in Einstein's path. Moreover, the sheer mathematical complexity of attempting to unify all physical forces presented another significant hurdle. The equations were not just tough to solve, but even formulating them in a way that would accurately describe the universe was a monumental task. Despite his genius, Einstein was unable to overcome these roadblocks, and the unified field theory remained a tantalizing, elusive goal. Einstein passed away, leaving his unified field theory incomplete. But did his quest end with him? The answer is a resounding no. His dream, his unfinished symphony, echoes in the corridors of science, inspiring and challenging new generations of thinkers to pick up where he left off. Einstein's dream didn't die with him. It sparked a flame in the hearts of physicists around the globe. Indeed, the quest to complete the unified field theory has been adopted by brilliant minds who have tirelessly built upon Einstein's foundation. Physicists like Stephen Hawking, Roger Penrose, and Edward Witten have all made significant strides in this grand endeavor. They've navigated the intricacies of the universe, wrestling with the enigmatic forces that govern our existence. Stephen Hawking, for instance, made groundbreaking strides in understanding black holes, providing a glimpse into the profound connection between gravity and quantum mechanics. His work has illuminated our path towards a unified field theory, shedding light on the profound mystery of gravity's role in the quantum realm. Then there's Roger Penrose, whose work in the field of general relativity has given us new perspectives on the universe. His insights into the geometry of space-time have been instrumental in our pursuit of the unified field theory. He has given us a fresh lens through which to view the cosmos, one that brings us a step closer to realizing Einstein's dream. And let's not forget Edward Witten. A pioneer of string theory, Witten has proposed that all particles are merely different vibrations of tiny strings. This radical perspective has the potential to bridge the gap between quantum mechanics and general relativity, the two pillars of modern physics that seem so irreconcilable. It is a daring leap towards fulfilling the unified field theory. These trailblazers, along with countless others, are the torchbearers of Einstein's legacy. They've taken up the mantle, pushing the boundaries of our understanding, challenging the status quo, and daring to dream as Einstein did. Their work is far from finished. The unified field theory remains elusive, but every step taken, every discovery made, brings us closer to the grand realization of a theory that can elegantly explain the entire universe. The quest for a unified field theory continues, with physicists around the globe standing on the shoulders of Einstein. So, what does the future hold for the unified field theory? Will we ever see Einstein's dream become a reality? As we delve into the future of the unified field theory, we find ourselves standing on the precipice of potentially revolutionary discoveries. The world of quantum physics is buzzing with anticipation. Scientists around the globe are working tirelessly, hoping to unlock the secrets of the universe through this theory. One promising avenue is the exploration of quantum gravity, a theoretical framework that attempts to reconcile quantum mechanics and general relativity. If successful, this could be the key to completing Einstein's unified field theory. Additionally, the ongoing research in string theory, a contender for the unified field theory, presents exciting possibilities. String theory suggests that the universe is composed of tiny, vibrating strings of energy. This theory, if proven, could provide the grand unification Einstein sought, uniting all known forces into a single mathematical framework. But what does this mean for our understanding of the universe? Well, the potential impact is monumental. The unified field theory could revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. It could potentially answer some of the most profound questions we have about the nature of reality itself. Imagine being able to fully comprehend the birth of the universe, the nature of dark matter, or the inner workings of black holes. These currently elusive phenomena could become understood concepts. The unified field theory has the potential to propel us into a new era of scientific discovery, reshaping our understanding of the universe and our place within it. As we stand on the brink of potentially revolutionary discoveries, Einstein's dream seems closer than ever before. The future of the unified field theory is bright and brimming with potential. As we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge, we inch closer to the grand unification of forces, to the realization of Einstein's unfinished symphony. In the end, perhaps we will find that the keys to the universe were in our hands all along. Einstein's unified field theory remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in physics. It's a testament to the enduring power of human curiosity, a quest that has spanned centuries and has yet to reach its conclusion. Over the course of this video, we've delved into the heart of this enigma, tracing Einstein's journey and the legacy he left behind. We've glimpsed the future of the unified field theory, a future filled with potential breakthroughs and revelations that could forever change our understanding of the universe. The unified field theory is more than just a scientific quest. It's a reflection of our human desire to comprehend the world around us, to unravel the mysteries that the universe holds. It's about the quest for truth, for knowledge, and for understanding. It's about the thrill of discovery, the joy of learning, and the satisfaction of unraveling a mystery that has puzzled humanity for centuries. But it's not just about the scientists and researchers who dedicate their lives to this quest. It's about all of us. Because we all share this universe. We are all part of this grand cosmic story. And each of us, in our own way, contributes to the ongoing quest for understanding. So I encourage you to delve deeper into this subject. Spark your curiosity, ask questions, seek answers. Because the quest for understanding our universe is not just for scientists. It's a journey we all share. And who knows? Perhaps one day, you might find yourself contributing to this grand quest in your own unique way. Perhaps you might be the one to discover the next big breakthrough in our understanding of the universe. If you enjoyed this journey into one of the universe's greatest mysteries, please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, the quest for understanding our universe is a journey we all share. So, what do you think will be the next big breakthrough in this quest? Comment below.